Are you ready for some amazing pecan pie bites made with puff pastry, maple syrup, and bourbon? Yes, they are kid-friendly too. Katya here. Let's get started. Here's what you need. I start out by unwrapping and laying out the puff pastry. Then I like to use a parchment or wax paper sheet to help roll out the dough. You want to roll it out till it's about a 9 by 12 inch rectangle. Then score and cut the dough into 12 approximate 3 by 3 inch squares. Make 3 to 4 pokes with a fork in each square. Grease a standard size muffin tin with butter or whatever you prefer. I normally use a saved butter wrapper, but as you can see here, I was out. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit now. Very carefully stretch out each square slightly and place the dough into each muffin tin cup. Now you can make your pecan pie filling. I use 2/3 cup chopped pecans, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/3 cup maple syrup, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tablespoon bourbon, oh yeah, you can skip it if you must for personal reasons, and 1 teaspoon vanilla paste. Stir it again. Then add 1 whole egg and give it a final stir. Grab the muffin pan with the puff pastry cups and go ahead and bake the dough at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. You can of course make the pie filling during this first bake. After the first bake, lower your oven temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a small spoon to just push down the puffed up centers a little. Now fill the cups with a heaping tablespoon of filling. Return the muffin pan to the oven and bake for 12 to 14 minutes, or until the corners puff up and the filling is bubbly. Place the pan on a cooling rack and allow the pie puffs to cool for about an hour in the pan. Then gently remove the pie puffs with a small spatula or butter knife as shown. If you like my video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the full recipe, go to homemadeliving.com. Enjoy these sticky little bites of heaven and don't forget to share. Till next time, happy baking.